Cześć! I would like to tell you very quickly about Easter in Poland. On Holy Saturday, Christians go to church with a basket filled with samplings of foods to be blessed. We put into the basket eggs, bread, salt, sausage. We also paint eggs and we decorate them using various techniques. And these eggs we also put in the Easter basket. The food from the Easter basket we usually eat for, it's a tradition that we eat it for Sunday breakfast. On Sunday we meet with family, friends for dinner. On Easter Monday there is a tradition of boys throwing water over girls. But actually on that day you can never know who is going to try to soak you. So if you are in Poland on Easter Monday, better get yourself a water gun and use it on your friends. You will see it's a great fun. Good, so now let's have a look at some Easter vocabulary. Repeat after me. Wielki Piątek, Wielka Sobota, Wielka Niedziela, Wielki Poniedziałek, Święconka, Święcić jajka, Jajko, Koszyk wielkanocny, Śniadanie wielkanocne, Lejek, Śmingus-Dyngus, Lany Poniedziałek, Święta Wielkanocne, Wielkanoc. Życzę wszystkim radosnych świąt wielkanocnych.